Hello, dear friend. I'm so glad you're here with me tonight, ready to embark on a journey that will not only bring you peace and relaxation, but has the potential to truly transform your love life. Tonight, we're going to explore the incredible power of gratitude and how it can bring more love, happiness, health, and even wealth into your life. Before we begin, find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Take a moment to make sure you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep, soothing breath in and exhale slowly. Feel the tension in your body melt away as you release any stress or worry from your day. Now, let's dive into the transformative world of gratitude and how it can change your love life for the better. Gratitude is like a magical elixir for the soul. It has the incredible ability to shift our focus from what's lacking in our lives to what we already have, an acknowledgement of the abundance that surrounds us. When we are grateful, we send a powerful message to the universe that we appreciate the blessings in our lives, and in return, the universe often responds by bringing us even more to be thankful for. As you lay there, feel a sense of gratitude wash over you. Let it start small. What are you thankful for today? It could be as simple as the warmth of your bed, the softness of your pillow, or the love of a friend or family member. Let those feelings of gratitude grow within you. Now, let's talk about how gratitude can transform your love life. Love is one of the most beautiful and profound experiences we can have as human beings, but sometimes we forget to appreciate it fully. When we practice gratitude in our relationships, we nurture the love we share with our partners and attract even more love into our lives. Think about your current or future partner. What are the qualities you appreciate about them? What do they bring into your life that makes it better? Visualize those moments of connection, love, and joy. Gratitude doesn't stop at love. It extends its reach to happiness, health, and even wealth. When we are grateful, we become more attuned to the positive aspects of our lives, leading to increased happiness. Gratitude has been linked to improved mental and physical health, reducing stress and enhancing overall well-being. Moreover, it often paves the way for unexpected opportunities and abundance. Imagine a life filled with happiness, vibrant health, and prosperity. Feel the emotions associated with these aspects of your life. Let the gratitude for these blessings fill your heart. Now, let's move into a guided meditation focused on gratitude. As you close your eyes, imagine yourself standing on the shore of a tranquil lake. The water is calm, reflecting the moonlight like a mirror. You are safe and at peace here. With each breath in, feel the cool, refreshing air entering your lungs. With each breath out, release any remaining tension or negativity. Now, picture a small, glowing light within your chest. This light represents your heart, the source of love and gratitude. With each beat, it sends waves of love and appreciation throughout your being. Think of someone or something in your life that you are truly grateful for. It could be a loved one, a friend, a cherished memory, or a moment of joy. Hold that image in your mind and allow the feelings of gratitude to swell within you. Let them wash over you like gentle ripples on the lake. Now, let's expand this circle of gratitude. Visualize your loved ones, friends, family, and your romantic partner. See them in your mind's eye, surrounded by a warm, golden light of appreciation and love. Feel your heart swell with gratitude for their presence in your life. Extend this circle even further to include all the people you encounter in your daily life, the ones you know, and the strangers who cross your path. Imagine a web of gratitude connecting all of you, creating a powerful network of positive energy. Lastly, let's turn this gratitude inward, towards yourself. You are deserving of love and appreciation just as much as anyone else. Acknowledge your strengths, your resilience, and your capacity to give and receive love. Feel the warmth of self-love and acceptance wash over you. As we conclude our meditation, remember that gratitude is a powerful tool for manifesting love. The more you appreciate the love you already have in your life, the more you'll attract. Feel the certainty that love is on its way to you, whether it's a deepening of an existing relationship or the arrival of a new and beautiful connection. Thank you for joining me on this journey of gratitude and transformation. As you drift off to sleep tonight, carry with you the knowledge that practicing gratitude can bring more love, happiness, health, and even wealth into your life. May your dreams be filled with love and positivity, and may you awaken tomorrow with a heart full of gratitude. Remember, my dear friend, that you are deserving of all the love and blessings that the universe has to offer. Good night, and sleep peacefully.